Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic drone showdown between the TENSSENX GPS drone and the DROCON drone. Get ready for some high-flying action, insightful comparisons, and maybe a few crash landings. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's talk money. On the left, we have the TENSSENX GPS drone coming in at $169. And on the right, the DROCON drone is giving us a bargain at $109. So if you're looking to save some cash, DROCON's got your back. However, reviewers often remind us that you get what you pay for. TENSSENX might be pricier, but many users find its features worth the extra bucks. Now for the camera showdown. TENSSENX boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. That's like having a mini IMAX theater in the sky. Reviewers love its high-quality imagery and performance, making it ideal for aerial photography. DROCON, on the other hand, offers a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. While it gets the job done, users mention that the camera quality isn't the best, but it's good enough for casual use. Let's talk about flying these bad boys. TENSSENX gives you a whopping 52 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. That's enough time to film your entire backyard barbecue and still catch Uncle Bob's epic belly flop. Reviewers appreciate the extended battery life for longer sessions. DROCON, with its 24-minute flight time, is more like a quickie flight, just enough to get some cool shots. Users like the extra battery, but note the shorter flight duration. Both drones come with some pretty nifty intelligent functions. TENSSENX can follow you, fly along a set path, and even take a photo when you strike a pose. Perfect for those who want to feel like a celebrity on the red carpet. DROCON, though, has some fun tricks up its sleeve too: gesture recognition, voice control, and even a 360-degree flip. Reviewers find TENSSENX's features more advanced, while DROCON offers playful and engaging functionalities. When it comes to design and portability, both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases. TENSSENX is under 250 grams, so no need to worry about FAA registration. DROCON, at less than 249 grams, is also lightweight and travel-friendly. Reviewers appreciate the compact and portable design of both drones, making them easy to carry on adventures. And finally, customer service. DROCON offers a 365-day warranty and promises to solve any issues within 12 hours. Reviewers highlight the reliable after-sales support. TENSSENX, however, doesn't mention much about after-sales support, so you might be on your own if things go south. Better brush up on your drone repair skills. Overall, reviewers love the TENSSENX GPS drone for its high-quality performance, impressive camera, and long flight time, making it a fantastic choice for serious drone enthusiasts. On the other hand, the DROCON drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great option for beginners and casual users. So there you have it, folks. If you want top-notch camera quality and more flight time, TENSSENX is your go-to. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with some cool tricks and solid customer support, DROCON is your wingman. Whichever you choose, just remember to fly smart and avoid any no-fly zones, like your neighbor's backyard during their garden party. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time, and happy flying!